Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing 3 things you should never do at a fashion show. Alright guys, Allie here with NGM Modeling, and my very first tip for you is not to walk faster than you have practiced. Oftentimes what happens is you practice at a certain pace and it's no big deal because you're just there with your fellow models and you're just practicing and you know that you're practicing, but then what happens is you get a little bit nervous when you hit that stage and you speed that thing up. So make sure that you keep the same pace, whether you have to count or whatever it is in your head that's going to help you keep that same pace that you practiced at. Make sure that you do the same thing when you hit the runway. The next one is looking for people in the crowd. Wow, that is going to help you to stumble. So make sure you're not looking up and looking around for somebody, your mom, your dad, your boyfriend, your husband that came to see you. They're not there. I mean, honestly, most of the time, you're just not going to find them unless they're out there in some big, really bright shirt or something. So don't look around in the crowd for anybody. You're working, you need to focus on what you're doing, and you want this to look good because you want to be in other shows. You don't want to get out there and mess up and stumble because you were trying to find somebody in the crowd. And then tip number 3 is do not wear new heels or shoes the first time you're out there or when you're out there on the runway. So don't break in shoes at a show. You have to have used them before you got to the show. Really break them in so you're not getting blisters, they're not uncomfortable, you don't realize, oh my gosh, these shoes are so slippery on this surface. Use them, make sure they're broken in, make sure that they feel good, and make sure that they're comfortable. Hopefully these 3 tips are gonna help you be the star of your next fashion show. We'll see you guys soon. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and comment.